Hello and welcome to a tutorial where I will show you how you can find VAST online and how you can put it on your computer and start it. So the easiest way to get VAST is just to Google it. So I will demonstrate that here. So you type in VAST Lite and you find the first link here, which is our download page. And if you click that and then you scroll down a little bit, so here are all the links for the different versions of the software and the different supplementary data. So the first link here is the current version, at least of today, which is version 1.11. If you click that and you save it, then you can open it. So I saved this in my download folder. So what you get is a zip file, and this will contain the executable. So if you open that, you can see there is VAST Lite executable here and a readme. You open that, copy and just paste it. So now you have the executable outside of the zip, and this is how you can run it. So then you just have to double click it and select ignore this warning because Microsoft doesn't know me as a publisher. So you run and VAST will just start. It will show you this little window which asks you whether you want to not download, actually extract the additional data from the VAST executable. So about half of the size of the executable is a package of extra data that you can save out. So you don't actually need to be connected. This is included with the executable. So if you say yes here, and then you just save out this package as a zip file, and then VAST will just start normally. So you don't have to do that. You can later on come in to this menu and then just say save documentation zip to disk, and this will also save this package. So you can do it right away or you can do it later. So this package contains a folder that you can then also take out, copy, paste, and in here you will have some additional MATLAB scripts that can help you analyze the data generated with VAST. You have links to online datasets. Some of these are not working at the moment, but some of them should be. And there is the manual here, VAST Lite 1.11 at this point. And that contains all information, so you can look up keyboard shortcuts, all the functionality, and there's also an API that is explained later, and all its functions are documented here. So if you're interested in writing your own extensions to VAST, you can use this. And then there is one extension that is called VAST Tools that runs in MATLAB. So this has some additional functionality, and it can link to the main project or the main program of VAST via TCP/IP. So we can talk about this in a later video, but right now I just want to show you how to use this. So generally you have to open a electron microscopic image stack first, and then later on you open a segmentation on top of that, or you can just paint on top of it. So first of all, you open, for example, from our package here, one of these online datasets. So I'm going to choose Morgan 16 LGN butterfly, which is served out from Harvard, and as you can see, it streams in the images immediately. So now I will explain in a later video how you actually navigate and paint and so on. But for now, let it suffice that I close this. And then what I can show you here is that VAST actually also writes a preferences file. So this contains information about which data you loaded up previously and what your settings are. So this file will be written to the same folder where you put VAST Lite executable. So it's important that you put that in a folder where you actually have write access. So that's all for now, and see you again in the next video.